Hello! How's everyone? Before watching this video, just want to say appreciate you watching this video, and if you like it, please click like and subscribe. Arigato! So, today I'll be showing you how to make a decorative sushi cake for your events or just to surprise your family or friends. Let's start. First, we make a kinshi tamago, which is a crepe made from egg. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sake, a quarter teaspoon of salt, then mix well. Using a Teflon-coated fry pan, turn the heat to mid and add half tablespoon of rice oil. Spread the oil with kitchen paper. Pour 1/3 of the egg mixture into the fry pan and quickly swirl it around by tilting the fry pan in all directions. Turn off the heat, cover, and leave 20 to 30 seconds. After 20 to 30 seconds, remove the lid, gently turn the crepe over. Put the lid back and leave for 20 seconds. Remove the lid and put the crepe on an upturned strainer. This allows the crepe to cool both sides and dry completely. Cook the remaining egg mixture. Turn the heat to mid and recoat the pan between each side with the oil-soaked kitchen paper. Next, sushi vinegar. All ingredients into a pot and turn the heat to mid. Stir until the sugar and the salt melt in the rice vinegar, then done. Prep for decorative sushi. First, peel the cucumber. Like this video, stick a fork into the edge of the cucumber so it's easy to peel. Add a pinch of salt, rub them, and leave 10 to 15 minutes. Slice the radish and a pinch of salt, rub, and leave 10 to 15 minutes like the cucumber. Slice half each of the avocado on an angle. Roll the cucumber. Roll the smoked salmon but not tightly. Roll the kinshi tamago crepe and the Julienne carrot. Chop the pickled ginger. Add pickled ginger into a 400 to 500 grams of multi-grain rice. Then add 2 tablespoons of sushi vinegar and mix well. Now you have a sushi rice. Line a cake tin with plastic wrap. Put the sushi rice into the cake tin. Pack the sushi rice well, making sure it's even. Put a plate or a bowl on the cake tin and turn it over. Remove the cake tin and the plastic. Arrange the kinshi tamago. Then the avocado, smoked salmon, cucumber, and the radish. Garnish with tobiko on the cucumber and you are done. You can be creative and show your style and be a hit at a party, anniversary, or birthday. Thank you again. See you next time.